Nexo by Bitcoin and crypto. Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can install and download Nexo by Bitcoin and crypto app. So here you can see you can download this from Google Play Store and App Store. So when you go there and search this app, when it's appear, then go to about this app, then you will see like their main feature and the benefit. You can see the best benefit in this app. So get funds from just a 0% PA, get up to 20% cashback on all purchase, no minimum monthly repayments, no monthly annual or inactivity fees, support for Apple Pay and Google Pay, traditional virtual card. So you can see it's really a good thing, so you can use this, it's really benefit for you. And there are some supportive like top tier insurance on custodial access to real time reservation attestation or up to 5% higher earning rate. So get discount and rewards with the Nexo token. So you can read this here before installing this. So just go back and you can see simply click install. It takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, today is Norman. Thank you for watching the video.